Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up your navigation or navigation bar on Google Sites. This tutorial will be a very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if this is your first time using Google Sites, you're not very proficient on using this site or software, or even if you are a beginner in using this website, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Before getting started, if you are interested, we actually have a dedicated beginner's guide when it comes to using Google Sites, in which we already covered all the basic features and functions of this specific website or software. Now, if you want to check it out, it will be on our YouTube channel, so please be sure to head out on our YouTube channel and check it. Now, last time I showed you how you can add pages and how you can reorder them and nest them like so. So in this specific tutorial, we should be discussing on how you can change its navigation bar. We can change it from the top. We can put it on the side right over here. Now, just to give a little context, for those of you who don't know, Google Sites is a free web-based tool for creating websites, and it is ideal for both personal and professional use. So don't worry, you do not need to pay for anything or download anything, as everything can be accessible on your web browser. Now, to move or to set up your navigation bar, once you have set up your pages, just like what we did last time, to change its location, all you have to do is to head over to the settings, which is right over here, the gear icon. And as you can see right here, we have the navigation, and we can change it from top to the side. And we can change its color from transparent to white, just like this, or black. But in my case, I would just really love to see it in transparent because it's just more clean and more slick than setting it up with a color. Now, as you can see, we have moved our navigation bar from the top side to the left side, which is right here. Now, unfortunately, there's only two options. You cannot put it on the bottom, you cannot put it on the right side. You can only choose between the top portion of the screen or in the left side. So if you click on the three horizontal bars, as you can see, it transitions into a navigation bar. We get the drop down right over here that we have created on the previous video. We got the about page. You can choose the articles page and many more. As simple as that, we can set up our navigation bar to according to our preferences and our likings. Now, if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and comment down below what you would like to see from us next, and we will surely read them. Now, I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.